So children, as usual, polynomials. So what are the topics we have discussed in the polynomials? Splitting the middle term, and when alpha and beta or gamma are given, how to make up the equation. Long division basic method. If two roots are given, how to find out other roots. I told you how to find out the other roots. Then I told if condition is given, how to evaluate the condition. And I told you AP sums in polynomials. If three roots are in AP, how to find out the individual roots, I told you. Then also I told you what should be added and what should be subtracted sums, I told. And today, how to find K or A or any variable constant they will ask. They will ask you to find out. Some unknown value they will give K or A something. They'll ask you to find out how to find out that. Okay, today we are going to discuss that in polynomials 10th class CBSE and CRT syllabus. Okay, so all of you please open the link in the description, children. First time I'm saying. So children, some 6, 7 sums I will tell children. Remaining you try to practice on your own. It will be like a worksheet. Almost how many 3 pages are there? Children, almost 22 sums I have given. I will be keeping on adding new sums in the future. But now, first some few sums I will be discussing. All of you see. First sum, children. First sum. Okay. So if a polynomial is divided with all of you please see children, x square minus 2x plus k. Which polynomial we are dividing? X4 minus 6x3 plus 16x3 minus 25x plus 10. Okay, plus 10. The remainder comes out to be x plus a. The remainder comes out to be x plus a. Question is find k and a. This is your optional exercise 2.4 exercise, fifth sum children. In textbook, optional exercise 2.4 exercise, fifth sum children. Very very important sum. Little bit long sum children. All of you have to concentrate children. If you concentrate,
Sir,
yes ma'am.
You wrote minus 6x cube plus 16x cube.
Square. Okay, Nana. Thank you. Okay, children, everything is correct only. I think even in the question I wrote like that. That's why here also I wrote wrong. Okay, whatever may be the thing, please see here, children. So in x4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by this. Then you are getting remainder as x plus a. Question is find k and a. Okay, children, I'm starting slowly. I will be doing. Please, all of you concentrate, children. Little bit long sum. You should not get confusion after the half sum is over. You should not get confusion anywhere. From the beginning onwards, you have to concentrate. 4 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there, 1 is there, everything is there. No need of deviation only. Okay. First, this with this. X4 by x2. What do you get, children? X square. X square into x square. X4. X square into minus 2x. Minus 2x cube. X square into k. Kx square. Okay, children. So minus plus minus. How much is this? Minus 4x cube plus. Children, this and this we cannot subtract. So individually I will write this and this I will write separately side by side. Individually I can't subtract them. No, that's why. So I'm writing 16x square like that only. Minus kx square also I will write. If ever it is possible, minus 25x you bring down and keep. If ever it is useful, you will use it. Okay, minus 4x cube by x square. How much is that, children? Minus 4x. Okay, so minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into minus 2x is plus 8x square. Plus 8x square. Minus 4x into k is minus 4kx. Okay, so this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, children, this is also good. 16 minus 8, children, how much? 8x square. Minus kx square we will write as it is, children. We will use it later. Plus 4kx minus 25x plus 10 also you bring down and keep. If ever it is useful, we will use it. 8x square by x square, children, plus 8. Plus 8. All of you have to concentrate, children. So 8 into x square, 8x square. 8 into minus 2, minus 16x. Where we have to keep here? Minus 16x. 8 plus k, 8k. Anywhere you can keep, children. Here and keep. Anywhere you can keep. No problem. This is minus, children. All of you please concentrate. This is minus. This is minus. This is plus. Okay, that's all. Upper one you should not change. This and this gone. Bring minus kx square, minus kx square. This is this I am writing as 4kx as it is because we cannot subtract them. No, minus 8k. This I can subtract minus 9x plus 10. Okay. Now, children, this by this I will get minus k, children. Minus k. Minus k into x square minus kx square. Minus k into minus 2x is plus 2kx. Minus k into plus k is minus k square. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is gone. Okay, So when this is gone, children, 4kx minus 2kx is how much, children? 2kx. Please try to understand. This is important. Last step. K square as it is, you write down, children. K square minus 8k as it is, you write down, children. See, plus k square I wrote as it is. Minus 8k also I am writing as it is. We cannot subtract them. Minus 9x plus 10. Over, children. This is the remainder. That's all. Okay, children. So slowly I'm showing you. See all of you. 4kx minus 2kx is 2kx minus 8k I wrote like this plus k square I wrote like this minus 9x here plus 10 there. Now what happens means, children, he is saying the remainder obtained is x plus a. The remainder obtained is x plus a. Means if you can understand this concept over, children, very easy. The remainder obtained is x plus a. This whole remainder you should compare with x plus a. Means all x terms you compare with x, and which don't have x you compare with a. Again I'm saying all x terms. This is x term. This is x term. That x terms you compare with x. See, children, 2kx minus 9x is equal to x. This is x term. This is x term. Okay, minus 9x. We compare with x. Okay, so if this goes here, 2kx is equal to 10x. X gone, k is equal to 5 over k value you got. Now remaining all are constants that you compare with a. Remaining all. What are remaining all? K square. Please try to understand, children. Don't get panic. K square minus 8k plus 10 is equal to a. What is k, children? 5. 5 square minus 8 into 5 plus 10 is equal to a. 25 minus 40 plus 10 is equal to a. Okay, children, bring this up, children, and just because down place, that's why I'm writing up. So a is equal to 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 minus 40 is minus 5. Very, very important question, children. 2.4 exercise textbook, NCERT textbook, fifth sum, children. This is very, very important. So reminder you should compare with x plus a. Okay, all x I compare with x. All constants I compare with a. Constants means which don't have x. Which don't have x. That's all. This is how we have to do. Please copy down neatly, children. This sum you have to do. Down you should do all these steps, children. You should not do side like this as I did, because I don't have place. I did like this. But you in exam, one below each other, neatly you should write and show. And k is equal to 5, a is equal to minus 5. You have to add it and you have to block it. Please copy down, children. Remainder is expressed. He only gave the question that I compared with remainder. I hope you are copying. 10 seconds time I am giving. Please copy, or else take at least a picture, or else later you see my video. Very, very important sum, children. This is alone for this sum also one video I made, children. I think it is also there. Only for this sum I made one video once in past. I don't remember, 2-3 years back. Only for this sum one video is there. Please check, children. Yes, yeah, I'm rubbing this, children. Go to second sum, all of you. This is only big sum, children. Remaining won't be this much big. If a polynomial is divided by something, the remainder is something, find a and b. Same like this one, children. Second sum, all of you. Please see, children. Open the link in the description. It is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Whom we are dividing? 6x4 plus 8x cube plus 8x cube, 17x square plus 21x plus 7. 21x plus 7. Okay, this way. Okay, children. Now the remainder he is saying ax plus b. Remainder you compare with ax plus b. He only saying, children. Remainder is ax plus b. He is only saying. Children, divide this with this. Okay, this with this means what you will get, children? 2x square. Okay, 2x square into 3x square is how much, children? 6x4. 2x square into this is 8x cube. Okay, minus minus gone. Okay, 17x square plus 17 only.
Sir, you did not multiply 1 with 2x square.
Yeah. This with, yeah, sorry, yeah. Thank you, Nana. 2x square. Thank you so much, Emma. That's what I'm seeing. Something I did mistake. Yeah, thank you very much, Emma. So this is 15x square plus 21x plus 7. Children, 15x square by 3x square is how much, children? 5. So multiply with 5, children. 5 3s are 15x square And 5 4s are 20x, 5 1s are 5. Please check, children. Change, gone. X plus 2. Okay, children. So this x plus 2 compare with ax plus b. Ax you compare with x terms. Ax is equal to x, xx gone, a is equal to 1. B you compare with 2 because no x2. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. That's all. X terms you have to compare with x. Without x terms you have to compare with constants. That's all, children. Very easy sums. First one only little bit lengthy. The remaining all will be like this one, children. A and B sums. In textbook only one sum given, children, but I have given for your understanding and for your revise and exercise 22 sums I have given, children. In the textbook only one sum they give, and that was very lengthy. But in the board exam they are asking like this questions, children. Occasionally they are asking. I'm doing this, children. Reminder, he asked you to take x plus b. Reminder, you compare with the x plus b. He only told, that's why I compared and find the n. Over, children. Third sum. Please go to third sum, children, all of you. Please go to third. Find k again, children. Find k such that is a factor is saying. Is a factor means you will get 0, children. X is a factor. X square plus 2x plus k, with whom we are dividing, children, this one, x square plus 2x plus k, with whom we are dividing 2x4 plus x cube plus minus 14x square minus 14x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, plus 5x plus 6. Also find all the zeros of the corner. Find k so that it's a factor. He's saying it is a factor, children. It is a factor means remainder is 0, children. Okay, it is a factor he's saying. Let's find out, children. Let's divide. Start division. This into this, children. This into this by this. How much will get, children? 2x2. 2x2 into x square, how much, children? 2x4. 2x2 into this, children? 4x cube. Okay, 2x square into k, children? 2kx square. Minus gone. Hope you are able to understand, children. This is minus 3x3 minus 14x square minus 2kx square plus 5x plus 6. This with this, children, how much you will get? Minus 3x. Minus 3x into x square, how much, children? Minus 3x cube. Minus 3x into this is minus 6x square. Minus 3x into this is minus 3kx. Plus gone. Minus 14 plus 6 is minus 8x square. Minus 2kx square. This I'm writing here. This I will write 3kx plus 5x plus 6. Now this with this, children, how much you get? Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8 into x square is how much, children? Minus 8x square. Minus 8 into plus 2, minus 16x. Minus 8 into k, minus 8. This is plus, children, gone. This will come minus 2kx square plus 8k plus 3kx minus 11x plus 6. Okay, children. Minus 2kx square by x square. Minus 2k, children. Minus 2kx square by x square is minus 2k. Minus 2kx square by x square. This is gone. Minus 2k, children. Minus 2k I kept divide, multiply. This with the whole thing. Minus 2k x square. Minus 2k, then this is minus 4kx. Minus 4kx. Minus 2k plus this is minus 2k square. Minus 2k square. Okay, children?
Sir,
Okay.
that is minus 21x. Minus 16 plus it will become.
Minus 16?
Minus 16x is there, it will become plus, no sir, it will become plus 21x.
Okay, thank you so much. Plus 21x. Okay, plus 21x. Yeah. So children, this is plus, this is plus, this is plus summa. This is gone. And what is gone, children? Plus 2kx square will come as it is, children. Plus 2k square. 2k square will come as it is. And plus 8k will come as it is. This plus 7kx will come as it is. Plus 21x plus 6. Till here, okay, I think, for all of you. Okay, children. So now he is saying, all of you listen, children, here. Now here, this whole remainder is equal to 0, children. This whole remainder is equal to 0. Why? Which he said that it is a factor. So that whole remainder we have to take it as a factor. 0 only, children, because he said first only it is a factor. So once you start splitting the term, then you will understand, children. Once you start splitting the term, then you will understand how to find out k. Please see here, children. I'm talking this. Please turn on mute your audio, all of you. 2k square plus 7kx, 7kx, please see here, children. 2k square plus 7kx plus 8k plus 21x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, children. So when it is equal to 0, what we have to do means, so children, here k square is here, children. Just k is here, and remaining all x terms are here, children. All x terms are here. So this we have to equate it with 0. How to equate with 0? 1 second. 1 second. One second, children. So since k square is only there, so what we will do, only 2k square. Okay, children. Once we will take all x square terms, children. X square terms are there anyway. No x square terms. X normally, children, see here, in a polynomial we will be having x4 terms will be there. Then x3 terms will be there. Try to understand, children. X2 terms will be there. X square. X terms will be there. Then constants will be there. Okay. Try to understand, children. Try to understand. X4 terms are there? No, not there. X cube terms are there? No. X square terms are there? No. X terms are there? Yes. Who are there? This is there. 21x is there. 70x is there. This both terms you will compare with 0. I'm telling again slowly, try to understand. X4 terms are not there. X cube terms are not there. X square terms are not there. X terms are there? Yes. Two terms are there, x square. So what you write means 7kx plus 21x is equal to 0, children. Try to understand. This you bring here. 7kx is equal to minus 21x. Try to understand. Xx con k is equal to minus 3. That's it. Okay, children. Like this you should find out. Okay. Now, after x, constant will be there. Whichever don't have x, they all are constants, children. Try to understand. X4 is not there, x3 is not there, x square is not there, x is there, we found out. Whichever don't have x, they are all constants. Who all or don't have x? Due to 2k square don't have x, 2k square. 8k don't have x, 8k don't have x. Okay, plus 6 is equal to 0, like this, children. But what we got already, k is equal to minus 3, we got, no, children. So no need of finding again k, children. There is no fun only in finding that. There is no fun, unnecessarily wasted. But just we will substitute and see whether we are getting 0 or not. Just we will substitute and see. But k we got 3, just we have to put it here. Other zeros we have to find out, children. Simple, see here. So 2 into minus 3 square plus 8 into 3 plus 6. Try to understand. 3 is a 9, 9 is a 18. Plus 24, minus 3, no,
Sir, 8 into negative 3, sir.
Minus 24, no, sorry, minus 24 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is 24, minus 24, 0 we got. Okay, children. So try to understand, children. K is equal to minus 3, we got it off. That we have to put it here, children. That we have to put it here. And you have to find out the other roots. How to find out the other roots, I will show. If you have copied this, then I will show you, children. Or else I will show here, children. I will show here. Here I am showing. Or please see. So how to find out other roots? He said find other roots. So 2x square minus 3x minus 8 minus 2 into minus 3 amma. K I got minus 3, no, that I am putting here. 2x square minus 3x minus 8 plus 6 amma. Okay. So 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Can anyone tell me the splitting of the factors? Minus 2x square. 4 you should get. No. Minus 4x plus 1x minus 2. Splitting of the middle term, factorization. Minus 4x plus 1x is minus 3x. Minus 4x into x is minus 4x. Now, children, here 2x you take common. 2x if you take common, x minus 2. 1 if you take common, x minus 2. Okay, children? Now, x minus 2 you are taking common. 2x plus 1 is your. These two are the other two factors. Okay? These two are the other two factors. Find all the factors. He said these two are the factors, children. This also here, if you put it, this also you should split, children. You will get two factors. Try to understand, children. This if you split, you are getting two factors. No. Here also you put k, children, minus 3, and you split this also, you will get two more factors. Totally four factors. Two factors will take multiply and will divide your children. Here also you put k is equal to minus 3, you will get two factors here, two factors here, 2 plus 2, 4 factors. Highest score is 4. Try to understand. I hope everyone understood. Anyone have any doubt, you can ask me slowly, yeah, unmuting yourself. Slowly you can ask me if you have any doubt. Here I got 2 zeros, here you will get 2 zeros. Substitute k is equal to minus 3. Split the middle term. You will get two factors like this here also. For this two factors, for this two factors, four factors because highest score is 4. Children, last one more sum we'll discuss and we'll stop. Fourth sum. I'm rubbing this, children. I'm rubbing this sum. Children, this you should understand how I told x4 we should term with 0, x cube we should compare with 0, x square we should compare with 0, x we should compare with 0, constant also we should compare with 0. Somewhere you will get k, you will got off. That you should remember at the nick of the moment. No one will say, children, they assume that you have to practice all the sums. No one will say it's not there in textbook. Fourth sum, children. If remainder on division of this is by x minus 3 is 21. Children, we are dividing x minus 3. What we are dividing, children? X cube plus what we are dividing? 2x square plus kx plus 3. Kx plus 3. The remainder is 21. We can use remainder theorem, children. No need to divide unless divide to divide. Find the quotient. Oh, quotient is asking means we have to divide, children. And value of k also. And value of k. Hence, find the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Okay, remainder is 21, children. Anyway. So children, you have to divide and see, children. Actually, I thought what we will do like this. We will do, children, in 9th class we studied like this. No, children, remainder theorem. X minus 3 is equal to 0. No? X is equal to 3. So 3 if you substitute here, 3 cube plus 2 into 3 square plus k into 3 plus 3 remainder theorem 21. Okay, this was 27 plus 9 to the 18 plus 3k plus 3 is equal to 21. Okay, this is 45, 48. 3k plus 48 is equal to 21. 3k is equal to 21 minus 48. 3k is equal to 7. K is equal to minus 9. Okay, so k is equal to minus 9. I got, children. After putting k is equal to minus 9, find the quotient, children. First you put k is equal to minus 9 here, children. Okay, I'm changing the equation, children. I'm changing the equation. K is equal to minus 9 means minus 9. Now divide and find the quotient, children. Now divide with this and find the quotient and find the remaining. One root is this only. Other root, how you will get? Whatever quotient you will get here, split that middle term. If you factorize, you will get two more terms. I will do now. Please first copy this all of it. This is remainder theorem I use, children. Remainder theorem, 9th class. If it is a factor, we'll put 0. If it is a remainder, we'll put remainder. So minus 9 I kept here, children. I changed the equation. Now I'm dividing all of see here, children. When I divide, children, x cube by x is x square. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. Minus plus gone. 5x square minus 9x. 5x square by x is 5x, children. 5x into x is 5x square. Minus 15x minus plus gone. 6x plus 3, children. 6x by x is plus 6, children. 6x minus 18 minus plus 21. They only said, children, 21 is a remainder. Okay, so children, 21 we got it. Now we have to split this, children. We have to split this. X square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, children, what are the factors? 2, 3 are 6, no? X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. X if you take common, x plus 2. 3 if you take common, x plus 2. X plus 2 into x plus 3 are the other factors. 1, 2, 3. Children, I want to discuss one more sum, children. After one more sum, I will stop. Children, fifth sum also I want to discuss. Fifth sum. Go to fifth sum, all of you. Then we'll stop, children. One more sum we will discuss. Then all of you rejoin for IIT session, children. Last children for today's session. Okay. And we'll go to IIT. Fifth question, children. For which value of a and b, the zeros of the x cube plus 2x square plus a, also zeros of polynomial x5 minus x4 minus 4x3 plus 3x2 plus 3x plus 6, 3x plus b, 3x plus b and 3a plus b and 3x plus b. Okay, children. So he's asking their zeros and their zeros. When are they equal? He's asking. See, children. Question. See the question. For which value of a and b, the zeros of the above one polynomial also will become zeros of another polynomial? He's asking. Children, let's divide and see. Children. Let's divide and see. Both zeros should become equal. For what values of a and b? He's asking. Let's divide and see. Okay. I'm dividing. All of you please see here, children. I'm dividing x cube plus 2x square plus c. I'm dividing. Okay. So x5 by x cube is x square, children. X square into x3 is x5. X square into 2x is plus 2x4 and plus ax square. X square into ax square. Minus 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 gone. Minus 3x4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square minus ax square. Okay, children. Again, this by this. How much you get, children? Minus 3x. Okay. Minus 3x into x cube is how much, children? Minus 3x4. Minus 3x into this is minus 6x cube. Minus 3x into this is minus 3xa. Please see here all of you plus plus plus. Gone. Now what you get, children? 6x cube minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax square plus 3ax or 3xa. Now 2x cube by x cube, how much is it? Plus 2. Plus 2. Okay, so 2 into x cube is how much? 2x cube. 2 into 2x square, 4x square. 2 into 8, 2a plus 2a. Minus minus minus. This is gone. Minus x square minus ax square plus 3ax minus 2a, children. See here. Now minus x square by x cube, it won't go, children. Over. It won't go beyond this, children. It won't go beyond this. Okay, so what is the question means? X square minus 3x plus 2, you split this middle term, children. You split this middle term. If you split this middle term, then you will understand. 2 you should get minus 3.
B is also
Emma?
at last B will also come, sir.
Yeah, at last B will also come. Okay. Okay, children. Yeah, at last B will come. So what I will do means just see here, children. At last B is also there. So this whole equation, what is the remainder? Minus x square minus ax square plus 3ax minus 2a plus b is there. Okay. So what I will do, children, all x square terms, once I will compare with 0. Why 0? Because they should become factors. Once x square terms I will compare with 0. Then once x terms I will compare with 0. Then constants once I will compare with 0. What are the x square terms, children? This both are x square terms. I will compare with 0. Minus x square minus ax square is equal to 0. Okay, this you bring here. Okay, or else you take this, anything, no problem. Minus x square is equal to ax square. X square 1. A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Over A you got. Now x terms you compare with 0, children. X terms is this. Okay, so since you got already A, forget about x terms, children. Now go to constant. What are the constant? This is having x square, forget. This is having x, forget. Now this is constant, which don't have x, all will become constant. So minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Okay, a how much you got? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. How much is that? 2 plus b is equal to 0. B is equal to minus 2. Over, children. That's it. A and B values we found out. Same, I told you now, once compare with x square, once compare with x, once compare with A and B. This is how you have to evaluate, children. No, sir, we are feeling it little bit uncomfortable. Means tomorrow again I will continue the same class with finding AX and A and B. As you keep on doing, you will be getting new ideas, children, how to do the sum. But this is the basic procedure, and only one sum is given in textbook. I gave almost 22 sums. You try to practice remaining 22 sums, and I will continue with the same topic. And still two more topics are there in polynomials. I will say in next class, children. And all of you, I will send the link again. Please join for IIT class again, children. Thank you so much.